नमस्ते बच्चों, आज हम हिंदी का चौथा पाठ पढ़ेंगे। इस पाठ का नाम है चा वर्ग। सो किड्स, टुडे we'll start a new chapter, chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is चा वर्ग. In the last class, we learnt about the first five consonants, that is the first five Vyanjan letters. That was ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Now here, let's do a small exercise. The first letter is ka. So, you have to take your Hindi notebook, pencil, eraser, and you have to write this first letter, that is the first Vyanjan letter in Hindi, ka. I hope you all have written it. Now, let's write the second consonant, that is the second Vyanjan letter. So, what you have to do? First, write small j and a smiley curve, a straight line, the circle and sleeping line on the top. Now, we have to write the third consonant, third Vyanjan letter. It is ga. You have to write it along with me. And a straight line and the sleeping line. So, next consonant is already given. It is gha. And the last one is nga. So, you have to write these consonants in your notebook. Now, in this chapter, we are going to learn another 5 set of Vyanjan letters. The second set of Vyanjan letters. So, the first one is cha. So, let's see how to write it. First, a short sleeping line, then a curve, standing line, and on the top, sleeping line. I'll show it once again. Short sleeping line, a curve, then a straight line and sleeping line. So, you have to write this letter in your notebook. Now, we'll see few words. Cha. Cha is the Vyanjan letter and it is charkha. Charkha means spinning wheel. So, you can see here the use of cha Vyanjan letter. Cha se chammach. Chammach means spoon. Then next one is chana. Chana means gram. Chashma, spectacle. The next consonant, the next Vyanjan letter is cha. Before it was cha, now it is cha. It has a ha sound, cha. Now you have to write it along with me. First, you have to write inverted 3, then it goes up and a small circle. On the top, you have to draw a short standing line. Then sleeping line. Once again, inverted 3, then it goes up and a small circle, short straight line and a sleeping line. We pronounce it cha. A small H sound you can hear. I hope you all have written it in your notebook. Now let's see few words using this cha. Cha se chhatri. Chhatri means umbrella. Next one, chhadi. Chhadi, stick. Chappar, roof. Chipkali, lizard. So kids, you have to practice these letters and words. Letters, you have to write it in your notebook, and words, you have to say and practice it. Now, the next Vyanjan letter is ja. You had to write it along with me. Write U, small u, short sleeping line, standing line, and on the top, sleeping line. Once again, I'll show you. It's ja. First, small u, short sleeping line, standing line, and on the top, sleeping line. We pronounce ja. Now, let's see few words. Jahaz, jal, jal, water, jahaz, ship, jalebi, then jug. Next Vyanjan letter is jha. Before it was ja. Now it is jha. Here you can hear the sound of H. Ha. Let's see how to write it. First, small short straight line. Then you have to write S and it comes down. You remember how we wrote E? It's the same way. Then here you have to draw a short sleeping line, then standing line and sleeping line on the top. Once again I'll show you. Short standing line, you have to write S, it comes down, then here on the side you have to draw a short sleeping line, then a standing line, on the top sleeping line. We pronounce jha. Few words are jharna, waterfall, jhanda, flag, jhadu, broom, jhula, swing. Next consonant is ya. Rarely we use this consonant. Now let's see how to write it. You have to write it in your notebook along with me. So first you have to draw inverted C, short sleeping line, standing line, and on the top sleeping line. Remember, all the Hindi letters have this sleeping line on the top. Once again, inverted C, short sleeping line, standing line and sleeping line. We say ya. Now there is an activity for you. You have to read these 5 Vyanjan letters, record it and submit it in Microsoft Teams. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Dhanyavad.